Hello, my name is Manuel Vidal, and I am a member of the XPOTLESS team, a project developed by Enclave Formación and Asincar. Enclave Formación is the technology partner specialized in virtual reality, while Asincar brings expertise in pedagogical innovation within the meat industry sector. XPOTLESS focuses on immersive training technologies to enhance cleaning procedures and hygiene operation in meat industry environments. Our project is part of the XR2Learn Open Call 2 initiative. XPOTLESS aims to revolutionize training in the meat industry through immersive and adaptive technologies. The project includes two key components. First, a theoretical training phase using 360-degree videos that users can access from their own homes through augmented reality application. And second, an immersive training phase using virtual and mixed reality experience. This second part allows users to demonstrate and reinforce their knowledge through natural interaction systems, while artificial intelligence analyzes their emotional states in real time to adjust the training difficulty, ensuring a personalized and engaging learning experience.
The primary target audience of XPOTLESS training program is any worker in the agri-food industry that performs tasks of cleaning, disinfection, or sanitation. To avoid cross-contamination that may lead to foodborne diseases, it's crucial to ensure a proper cleaning of any material or surface in contact with food. Moreover, the incorrect use of disinfectants or personal protective equipment exposes workers to environmental and health risks. Therefore, XPOTLESS emerges as an attractive environment to provide a constructive knowledge minimizing risks by positioning the training at the core of the learning process.